have absolutely no concept of what it means to be a risk taker in the way a successful trader thinks about risk. The best traders not only take the risk, they have also learned to accept and embrace that risk. There is a huge psychological gap between assuming you are a risk taker because you put on trades and fully accepting the risks inherent in each trade. When you fully accept the risks, it will have profound implications on your bottom line performance. When you learn the trading skill of risk acceptance, the market will not be able to generate information that you define or interpret as painful. If the information the market generates doesn't have the potential to cause you emotional pain, there's nothing to avoid. It is just information, telling you what the possibilities are. This is called an objective perspective, one that is not skewed or distorted by what you are afraid is going to happen or not happen. Most traders have absolutely no concept of what it means to be a risk taker in the way a successful trader thinks about risk. The best traders not only take the risk, they have also learned to accept and embrace that risk. There is a huge psychological gap between assuming you are a risk taker because you put on trades and fully accepting the risks inherent in each trade. When you fully accept the risks, it will have profound implications on your bottom line performance. When you learn the trading skill of risk acceptance, the market will not be able to generate information that you define or interpret as painful. If the information the market generates doesn't have the potential to cause you emotional pain, there's nothing to avoid. It is just information, telling you what the possibilities are. This is called an objective perspective, one that is not skewed or distorted by what you are afraid is going to happen or not happen. Most traders have absolutely no concept of what it means to be a risk taker in the way a successful trader thinks about risk. The best traders not only take the risk, they have also learned to accept and embrace that risk. There is a huge psychological gap between assuming you are a risk taker because you put on trades and fully accepting the risks inherent in each trade. When you fully accept the risks, it will have profound implications on your bottom line performance. When you learn the trading skill of risk acceptance, the market will not be able to generate information that you define or interpret as painful. If the information the market generates doesn't have the potential to cause you emotional pain, there's nothing to avoid. It is just information, telling you what the possibilities.
Hey, happy Friday everybody. Special live, Tamir, Fibonacci-Traders.com here. Special live, ask me anything, not only chart request. Be creative with your... I'm trying to stand up a little bit. Let's see how it works. Let's see how it works out. So let me know, do you see me? Do you hear me? Okay. Who is with me? This special live, unannounced. Hi, Offer. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. If you are here, say hi. Do not be shy. Something is off. Now, it's better. So, for those who don't know me, my name is Tamir. Fibonacci-Traders.com is my signal. Hi Asaf, thank you very much for joining. Unannounced, out of the bloom, special live. You ask, I answer. Anything that you want. About anything. Be creative, not only chart requests. Let me know what you want to know. Anything you want. I'm a full-time trader, 7 years already. This is Creative Avi. Be creative. Be creative with your questions. Tesla is a buy. I don't know. Have you saw Tesla's chart lately? You tell me. If you ignore the name, would you buy it? 7 years, full-time trader. I began more than 7 years. I began November 2016. I've began my journey where I didn't know where I'm going. I just packed up and start walking in this amazing journey, which then I didn't know it will be amazing. It was a rough start, and even rougher and harder continue. In the first 2 years, it was pretty hard. Lots of bumps, lots of money went down the drain. Well, it's not really down the drain because every money that I lost, put it like this, will be better. Every money that I lost during this journey, I consider it investing in myself. Every time I watched YouTube, every hour I watched YouTube, every time I wasted scrolling social media, looking for that guru, furu, I don't know, Discord channel, YouTube furu, Twitter account, that special strategy that will give me what I wanted. Money. This is what we are all in trading. Money. No BS. Nobody's here doing trading because it's fun, because it's not. Nobody's here doing trading because it's easy, because it is not. I can give you at least 10 other online jobs that will give you faster money than trading. Much more faster. So why trading? First, passion. You must be passionate about trading. If you don't have the passion about it, stop trading. You will lose. In the end of the day, you will lose. You need to have the passion for trading. You need to have the passion to succeed, where 95% of all other traders fail. You need to have the passion to succeed where 95% others fail. And ask yourself, why did I fail? I'm not smarter than any of you. I'm not. Do I have the passion? Yes. First of all, make a life in Thailand. I have a question. I'm not an AMD in swing, and yesterday afternoon dropped 3%. Where's my stop? We'll talk about it. We will talk about it. As I said, you need to have the passion for trading. If you don't have the passion for trading, you will lose. Trading is about passion, patience, and continuous learning. After 2 years of looking and failing and trying, 2 years, 2 whole years, it took me until I found my own strategy, my own set of rules that works for me. This is what you need to do. Stop following others to tell you what to do. Stop following others to tell you if Tesla is a buy, if AMD, where to put your stop loss, or what's going on with SIM or PLTR, or TQQQ, or any other thing, or where Bitcoin is going. If you have the passion for this, so put everything in it. In my first 2 years, I've put everything that I have into trading. I quit social life. No social life whatsoever. None. Family time reduced by 50-60%. Reduced. Why? Because I knew if I want to succeed in the same place, in the same spot, in the same job where 95% of all others fail, I need to do something different. I must find that different path to success. So yes, it takes time, it takes patience, you need the passion, you need the backup. You need your loved ones to back you up, even if they don't understand, and they don't understand what you're doing. My family, until this day, they don't understand. My wife doesn't understand what I'm doing. My family doesn't understand what I'm doing. Why am I sitting? And I'm living in China, so I'm working during nights. I'm 13 hours ahead New York time. I'm working nights. So yeah, I reduced my family time during my first 2 years. Quit social anything. No going out, no parties, no drinkings. No social life. Because I wanted to have everything in the future for my family, for my kids. So in the future, I can go on vacations, I can go parties, I can go wherever I want. Put my kids into the best schools, best private schools I can find. I am my boss, I am a very tough boss. Very tough boss to myself. What do you think is the best way to gain real knowledge for trading? I'm thinking the best answer. First, the basics. Go on YouTube. Look for the basics. You have all the basics on YouTube. Everything you want, you can find searching on YouTube. It's the second largest search engine in the world. Google is first. YouTube is second. Search how to trade, how to become professional trader. Search on YouTube. By the 1,000th hour, you will see that you gained no knowledge from YouTube. None whatsoever. You will look back, same as I did, you will look back and all those thousands of hours you spent on YouTube, and you will see you gained zero knowledge on trading. Zero. The only thing you will gain on YouTube and on any other social media, including Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and any other social media, you will gain zero knowledge about trading. You want to learn? Go to take a mentor, take a course from someone that you can trust. Ask around. Where is the best mentor? Where is the best place? Who is the best I can learn trading from? Same as I did. Same as I did. I went through numerous courses, paid courses, numerous mentors, paid mentors. Lost a lot of money in my first 2 years. A lot of money. But this money that I lost during trading in my first 2 years, I don't consider it as loss. I consider it as educational fees. Same as I go to university to get my BA degree, doesn't matter, economics, literature, foreign affairs. You go to university to learn, right? It takes money. You need to pay. Same goes if you want to become a professional trader. It's a job, and from my perspective, the hardest job there is. If you will not put 200% of yourself in it, at least in the beginning, no future for you in this job. No future. You will continue to ask other people on social media what to do, how to do, where to buy, what to do. And then, once they will give you their ideas, you will go, you will follow their ideas blindly because your lack of education, and you will fail. And guess who you're going to blame? Not yourself. You're going to blame those people on social media that told you, listen, you need to buy AMD now. You need to buy Tesla now. You need to put your stop loss now. Here is the next name that will double itself in the next 6 months, in the next 1 year. You follow them blindly without any knowledge what you're going to do. And then when you're losing, you will blame them. I know it. So instead of all this circle, check the links in the description below. I have a one-on-one mentorship program, English, Hebrew, whatever you want, lifetime access. Lifetime access. Why? Because trading, once you become professional trader, it's for life. And this is why, here I say it, live on YouTube, all the world can hear me. I put my name on it. My face is on the screen. I will give you lifetime access for support, guidance, and anything you want until you will become a professional trader. Until you will stop searching social media for answers, what to do, how to do, where to do. So check the links in the description below. If you want, you're more than welcome to contact me also on Discord. Any other questions? Asaf, if you bought AMD without placing stop loss, this is your first mistake. Never enter a trade without putting a stop loss. You know why? Because once we put on a trade, anything can happen. Anything can happen. No one knows what will happen next once we put on a trade. There is no such thing as risk reward. None. You know why? Because no one knows what will happen next. So how can you calculate your reward? Whether it's 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 2, 1 to 10. No one knows. The only thing you need to know, and the only thing you need to control, is your risk management. Risk management. The only thing you have full control of in trading is risk management. Once I put on a trade, I know that I'm going to lose. This is the mindset that I have. I'm going to lose this trade. So now, how much am I willing to lose on this trade? That's it. Once you put on a trade, anything can happen, and you will lose money. Don't think about the reward. Think about the risk. Manage your risk. The reward will take care of itself. Trust me. But the risk, if you don't take care about the risk, you will get wiped out. You will blow your account. Trust me. I know it. I've been there. Done that. Been there. This is why I'm doing these lives. This is why I do so many everyday live. I do this special live because I know where you are. I've been there. I know all the questions that you have. I've asked myself. I've asked others. All the rough times that you are going through, believe me, I understand you. I've been there. I've conquered it. I will not sell you unprecedented profits. You will not see me driving Lambos, wearing Rolexes, going to the gym while trading from my phone 2 minutes a day before Friday's close or even before the opening bell. Why? Because it's unrealistic. It's unrealistic. Social media, especially about trading, is there to sell you dreams. Do you want to buy dreams or you want to buy reality? If you want to buy reality and you want to succeed in reality and not just keep dreaming, this is why I'm here. This is why I go live every day pre-market. This is why I post every day 2 videos, 1 video in English, 1 video in Hebrew, and now recently also started in Spanish. Because I know what each and every one of you are going through. Every day, every time you press the buy, sell button, I know exactly what's going on in your head. Exactly. I've been there. I've done it. I've conquered it. Do I still have setbacks? Yep. Do I still have red days? Sure. But I know how to step up and conquer those setbacks. Any other questions? Hi, Ofer. Bar. Hi, Shadow Wolf. Hello, Itzik. You're more than welcome, Shadow Wolf. Ofer, what do you think about Tom Lee's forecast that he's pushing for until end of the year in general? I don't know. I believe Tom Lee is a very, very, very smart person. I don't do forecasts. So I don't know. I follow the chart. I follow the price. I don't know. I really don't know. If anyone knows where the SPY or the Qs will be in the end of 2024, take all my money. I will now sell my house, sell my car, sell everything that I have. Everything. I will take the biggest loan that I have. I will take the biggest mortgage that I have and will give it to him. No doubt about it. This is what I'll do. If someone knows where the SPY and the Qs will end up 2024, I will give them my whole money plus mortgage plus loan to deal with my money. This is my answer, Offer. How can we manage FOMO? FOMO, the fear of missing out. The only thing, 2 things. First, start small. Start small amounts. Don't jump into the sharks. Start small with the goldfish. Like you're going into the gym. When you enter the gym the first time, you see all those bodybuilders, all those athletics. You want to be like them, right? But you cannot go and just in the first minute, in the first time you're going to the gym, you want to pick up 30 kg each hand, or do a deadlift of 100 kg or 200 kg. You know what will happen to you? You will break your back and you will never go again to the gym. Same in trading. Start small. When you go to the gym, you start small. Maybe 5 kgs in each hand. You start each hand 5 kgs. After 1 month, your muscles start growing. You pick it up. Raise the weight 10 kgs. Then 15, 30, maybe 30 is your maximum strength. Perfectly fine. Acknowledge it. Know your limit. Same in trading. Start small. How much am I willing to lose on each and every trade? $5. This is my maximum risk on each and every trade. How much am I willing to lose each and every day? $20. Perfect. So you can take only 4 trades a day. Comes in the next day. You can take 4 more trades, right? Because you're willing to lose $20. 5 each trade. But now you're open with 8 trades. Can you handle 8 trades? I cannot. Tell you the truth. Even in the bullish market of them all, I cannot handle 8 trades simultaneously. Cannot. So you need to know your limit. Where's your limit? For me, it's between 5 to 7. 5, 6 to 7, that's it. In the most bullish market. So this is the first thing about FOMO. The second thing, risk management. Stop loss. Once you put on a stop, believe in it. Believe in yourself. Believe in the system. If you have, and I know you have because I know you, if you have the tools, if you have the system, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you know where to put your stop loss, and I know that you know where to put your stop loss, that's it. Don't break this rule. Manage your stop loss. Start small, put your stop loss, and manage your stop loss. There's nothing else you can do. Nothing. Only manage your stop loss. Because what is fear of missing out? What is FOMO? FOMO, when you see an uptrend, you want to join the uptrend. But once you join the uptrend, 1 day later you see red. Second day you see red. What happens? Here, you start thinking, again, it's happening to me. Every time I want to go long, the market starts to go down. But you need to put your stop loss somewhere, right? If you entered here, your stop loss should be somewhere about here. But if now the market goes down up to here, until here, don't go out. Your stop loss is here. If you start playing with your stop loss, if you don't believe in your stop loss, it means one thing, that you don't believe in yourself. And if you don't believe in yourself, stop trading. You have nothing to do in this business. It's all about believing first, learning, get the proper education, get the proper tools, the proper set of rules at the technical side and on the mental side. Everyone can read charts. I can teach each and every one of you in 90 minutes, maybe 120 minutes, how to read charts perfectly. Trust me, I know how to do it. And trust me, by the end of these 2 hours, you will be a professional technical analyst. Professional. Trust me. But to trade is one thing. To check and watch the chart is one thing. To trade what you see, different story. We all know that we need to go. We saw a chart. We all know we need to go long above this resistance, right? We had a resistance. Price tried, failed, broke up. We know we need to go long, right? We put our stop somewhere around here. Use ATR to manage your stop. If you don't know how to use ATR, check the Fibonacci Academy playlist. There is a special video how to use ATR to manage your risk. But once you went long above this resistance, right? Technical side, perfect entry. Your stop is here. Now price goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down. Every time price goes down, you start sweating. Every time price goes up, you're like, whoosh, nice. This is the fastest way to blow up your account because you have emotions. You feel things. Perfectly fine. We are all human beings. We cannot just shut down our emotions, but we can control them. We can control them. How? Risk management. Stop loss. That's it. Did you hear if he addressed, I don't know, weird question, do you believe in drop shipping? Well, Rotem, perfect question, by the way. I tried to do drop shipping. I had an eBay store. I drop shipped from Amazon to eBay. It was around 7 or 8 years ago, maybe more. Then eBay had some changes in regulations or stuff. Then I opened Shopify and I had drop shipping Shopify from China to all around the world. But my store was a drop shipping based store on Shopify. Do I believe it? In the end of the day, I tell you the truth, I didn't find it interesting. Because it's all about ads, investing in ads. It's not really selling, it's not really merchandising, it's not really retailing. All you do is concentrate on the ad, where to put the ad, how to focus the ad, how to target your audience. Not for me. So I dropped drop shipping. Do I believe it? I know many people that do nice salary out of drop shipping. Thank you, Bar. So I hope you're finding this helpful as I speak and speak. Now let's go over some questions. Like, subscribe, share with friends, special Ask Me Anything. Thank you very much for the knowledge sharing. There are so many strategies. If you have to choose one, what will it be? Gilad, are you new here? Are you new? If you're new, welcome and thank you very much for joining this. My name is Tamir, Fibonacci-Traders.com. My strategy is one strategy. Candlestick analysis and multi-time frames, aka pure price action. Then, on it, I put Fibonacci. On top of it, I have trend lines and, of course, risk management. And this is how it looks. And this is exactly, thank you for the question, Gilad. Perfect question. So yeah, during my journey, I went through numerous of technical analysis indicators, numerous. You can ask me about almost all these indicators that we have here, by the way, free, right? And you can ask me about any strategy based on these indicators. 90% chance I will have the answer because I went through all of them during my first 2 years. Same as you. Same as each and every one of you. I've been searching for the tool to give me the proper knowledge on how to trade, where to enter, where to put my stop loss, and what to do now. Surprise, surprise. No tool like it, right? Think about it this way. With all this free information that we have about trading, YouTube, Discord, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, everybody's making millions, right? BS. BS. There is a statistics that more than 95% of everyone that ever started trading failed. Now ask yourself, with all this free information and all these gurus and all these courses and all these books, how come more than 95% of all traders, not traders, 95% of everyone that ever wanted to become trader failed? We are all normal people, right? We have teachers, we have pilots, we have IT guys and girls from all the scales of society tried to become traders. Nobody knows. No, maybe because the tools that they are teaching us don't work. It's not your fault that you didn't succeed. It's not my fault I didn't succeed right away. First, there is no such thing as success right away, just like any other job in the world. You can study, you can learn, you can put anything in the education, but you will be a lousy lawyer. You will be a lousy doctor. You will be a lousy teacher. You will be a lousy gardener, school bus driver, whatever. But here in trading, you have so much free information. How can it be that with all these indicators, all these strategy based on these indicators, we fail? How come? Because these tools worth nothing. This is why I developed the FTI version 4. Everything that you see on the chart, automation. This is the latest edition. Everything you see on the chart, automation. Let's clean the chart. By the way, how do you like this? Special live. Let me know. Do you find it helpful? Educational? Entertaining? Let me know. Maybe I will do more like this. Just out of the blue. Boom. Let's talk to the guys and girls about trading. Not just chart requests. Let's share my knowledge with everyone that wants to consume my knowledge. And you know me. Now, one click away, you have the FTI version 4 on your screen. Fibonacci, trend lines, also support resistance to the future. Trend lines that shows you the way. Tesla goes where? Who asked Tesla? Tesla is a buy. Avi, if you're still here, what do you think? Tesla is a buy? You tell me. This is on the daily. This is on the weekly. Yes, it works on all time frames. Weekly broke below uptrend, broke below the yellow zone. The yellow zone and the FTI is the most important zone for support and resistance. Where once we break below the yellow zone, look, we are under a sell pressure, below the yellow zone, below an uptrend channel. Everything you see is automation. So you think less, because this is what we want. To think less while we are trading. We still need to pick our brain and think, right? But this FTI tool, with up to 80-85% accuracy on any time frame. This is the 15 minutes if you want to day trade. On any time frame, on anything that you want. This is the SPY. See, it gives you sell signals, buy signals. The green line is the risk management for long. The red line is the risk management for short. Pre-market I see opened. Trend lines, anything. One click away. This is why I developed this tool. I've poured 7 years. 7 long, hard years. All my knowledge in this tool. It's not an indicator, it's a tool. It's a tool that will help you make much better and smarter decisions. Personal development. So this is my long answer to Gilad. Dollar cost about what? Dollar cost about what? Dollar cost about Tesla? You want dollar cost about Tesla? If you're dollar cost about Tesla and you bought Tesla, here, congratulations. If you bought Tesla here, 240 or even the 230, congratulations. Dollar cost average, you are now 23% off. If you bought Tesla here, peak of July, congratulations. You just blown up your account 40%. How can you protect swing position when bad news come? Massive, you cannot. This is part of the risks. In trading, like you have risks. This is why, first, this is why I don't trade before earnings. I don't trade PPI, I don't trade CPI. I don't. I take out, I close all my positions before earnings. If I have a position on Tesla or Apple or any other one, comes earning 1 day before, I close the position. It doesn't matter if I'm profit or not. I close the position. It's gambling. Same goes for CPI, PPI. Rate decisions. I close my swings. To buy Tesla today is buy falling knife. I don't believe in any company. I believe in the chart. If you want to look monthly, this is how Tesla looks on the monthly. What do you see? Is it a good time to buy Tesla? In my opinion doesn't matter. Look at the chart. What the chart says. On the monthly you got sell signal. On the weekly you got a sell signal. On the daily you get a sell signal. All across the board sell signal. So you tell me, is it a good time to buy Tesla? AMD. Buy signal on the daily. Buy signal on the weekly. Buy signal on the monthly. So you tell me, is it good time to buy AMD? Which one is better? Which one looks better, AMD or Tesla? I'm not saying that it's time to buy AMD. Everything here is for educational. I'm not a financial consultant. This is not financial advice whatsoever. Just look at the charts and look at the FTI version 4. If you want to gain access, join the Discord, Fibonacci Traders Discord. This is our Discord. You have everything that you want. Wait, let's do like this. Let's hit the chat one second with your permission. Everything that you want under one roof. All the university. We have one-on-one mentorship. We have the online expert course, 60 minutes crash course. If you want only one-time personal one-on-one with me, you have the gold membership. The gold membership gives you monthly access to the trading floors. We have trading floor in English. We have trading floor in Hebrew. We have the premium room, exclusive swing, options, cryptos, general chat. By the way, if you want, coming Sunday, I'm planning to have a special 120 minutes live Zoom 2 hours crash course. What you'll get, you will learn candlestick analysis, trend lines, support resistance, trend reversal, to try to identify the trend before it starts. Fibonacci levels, of course, the creme de la creme, risk management, everything. And you will get 1 month free for the gold membership. The gold membership, as I said, gives you access to all these rooms. So for now, if you want, just say I. Write your name here. 2 hours. All my knowledge. 2 hours. I promised in the beginning I can teach you technical analysis in less than 2 hours. This is your chance to learn everything from me in just 2 hours. And you get a bonus of 1 month free gold membership, which by itself costs $59 US. So this is our Discord. So just go, if you want, go to this link, write your name. This is all you need to do. Open this link, write your name, and Sunday I will meet you and we will check the link, Rotem. The link, I just posted the link. Go into this link. It will take you directly to the channel on my Discord. How you can join. So what else? 48 minutes already. I'm talking. I do appreciate each and every one of you. I do appreciate. Just hit the like, hit the subscribe. Share with friends, bring family. It's Friday, nothing to do. Any other? I typically try to trade 1 or 2 max. Sometimes I do, but I start messing up. So stay with 2, Shadow Wolf. Stay with 2. You cannot see the link? What do you mean cannot see the link? Here's the link. Now you see it. This is the link. It's a link. Just click the link. So any other questions? Ask me anything. Ask me anything. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sure you have so many questions. So many questions. Do not be shy. This is why I'm doing these lives. For you to ask questions that I can answer. Anything. What do you think on day trade? Yep, I do day trade. What do you think about it? Stay away. If you're not seasoned trader with at least 2 years of swing trading experience, profitable, stay away from day trading. Do not listen to all those Instagram furus, YouTube shorts. I don't know where they came from. The only thing they want to sell you is a dream. I don't sell a dream. I don't sell anything. You want to buy, buy. You don't want, don't buy what I'm telling you. But I'm telling the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. And it's a hard truth. I know. Because I'm saying the opposite from what 90% of all this Instagram, YouTube, gurus, furus are telling you. What's the question? I don't understand. Can you analyze DAL? Takatuku, I can, but this is not the purpose of this live. The purpose of this live is not chart requests. I can do it. It's not about chart requests. Asked above. Sorry, name unavailable. Why name unavailable? Why hide above? What's your name? My name is Tamir. Nice to meet you. Fibonacci-Traders.com. You don't have to answer if it's too personal. I'm based in Australia and time zone is killing me. Yeah, I'm in China. It is what it is. This is my lifestyle. This is the lifestyle I chose. This is the job I chose. And to be honest, pretty rewarding. Today I should have fly to Thailand, but some booking messed up and I found out in the last minute that my flight is not today. My booking agent made a mistake. So I'm flying tomorrow. This is why I made this live. Some free time on my hands. So I decided, why not? Ask me anything. If I can help, I will do it. Any other questions before we wrap up this live? You want DAL? You can take DAL. Here is DAL. This is what I've been talking about. You need to stop asking people on social media what they think about a certain name. What makes them better than you? If you will get the proper education, the proper tools on the technical side and on the mental side, the psychology behind trading, you will stop asking others what to do. What do you do if you see a stock that is going to break what? Doing a breakout of a trend line. Depends. It depends. This is DAL. If I'm long and the trend line broke to the downside, it's time to say goodbye to this long. But it's a little bit more complicated than that, because we have the Fibonacci. We need to check multi-time frames. Look at DAL. Is it time to go long? Depends. The daily looks good, right? We have a buy signal, but we are still inside the yellow zone, which according to the FTI is a pretty nasty zone. By the way, we have also a special channel for the FTI users. This is the channel. If you want to join, be my guest. Will be a pleasure to have you aboard. Fibonacci Traders Elite Team is growing by the day. We have day traders, we have swing traders, we have option traders. Most of them don't need me, but I'm there. During hours, after hours, we have some people here. Amir can vouch for me that I'm answering almost 18 hours a day. Any questions, anything in the Fibonacci Traders Discord. Why? Because the sooner I will answer, the sooner my team will have the answer, and the sooner they will become better traders without being dependent on me or anyone else. So DAL, is it a buy? Look at the weekly. Just got ourselves a buy signal, in my opinion, only above 42, about 43. What do you mean? Leading to your Discord. Can someone else please check this link? This link. It goes directly. Wait. Let's check it again. One second. Check this. Let me know if it's working. Please check. Check also this if you want for the FTI. So once again, if no more questions, perfect Rotem. If you join, I will see you Sunday. So I hope you found this video helpful, educational, entertaining. What else do we have? If you still didn't watch, check my daily stock market review, just posted a few hours ago. Once again, thank you very much for joining this special live. Promise to do more and more like this, because these lives are much more helpful to get a perspective and help us to become better traders and what is trading is all about, not just chart request lives. Until the next live, until the next video, thank you very much for joining and enjoy your weekend.
Thank you.